co-workers, it's your boy Handy Danny, and I'm over here at Lowe's. I normally don't come to Lowe's. Y'all know I don't mess with Lowe's. I like Home Depot, but the Home Depot was 10 minutes away and the Lowe's was 5 minutes away. Probably still should have went to Home Depot though. However, I have a service call where a lady is missing a vent on the side of her home, and as you can see here, that's pretty much what I need there. And I'm going to install these, and there's so many different ones. These are $5, and let me measure it. And from the picture that I have, I think it's gonna all work out. Yeah, so that's 6 inches right there. And I think these right here, inexpensive. She was showing concerns of price, so I try to keep it cheap for her versus the more expensive ones. And honestly, I think this is the best one for it, really. So when I get back to the house, I'm gonna record the video of me installing it and putting it together. Yo, so what's up, co-workers? I'm back, and I have these vent covers that I showed you over here in Lowe's, and I got some white screws to even match, and I'm gonna kind of put these in here a little bit. Fit a little tight, but there's the hole up there.
I see you found this place, all right?
Yes, ma'am. You give great directions.
Well, you came past it on the way here.
Yeah.
Getting off the Georgesville.
Right. Yeah, I got these right here. These are a little bit more inexpensive.
And that's what I think must have been up there, because they just...
Yeah. Yep. All right. I tried this GoPro thing again, to where I tried to get it to where it's giving me the best view. And GoPro, you're failing me big time. The view, and it's a matter of just screw them in. Just put them in there, come up the line, and cover the vent. And the little vents right here will pop open when the air starts to come out of it. Got the white screws to match. Makes the house look a little better too, you know?
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah.
I had the HOA on my
Oh yeah?
backside, because this side was showing a little bit of green.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I do power pressure washing too. I do it all. And I did notice a little bit of green on the back patio in the low part.
The only part I did was the side of the house.
Yeah.
Really, because that was the part where they were pitching them.
What is this, facing north right here?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, the north side doesn't get that much sun, so that's why it starts to...
So they were giving me a bunch of static.
Yeah.
Just about this size. Because the rest of it doesn't look that bad.
Yeah.
But maybe next year. I noticed the inside of my fence.
Yeah.
Starting to look a little ugly.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, home ownership is tough, man. It's like, you know, to maintain your home and maintenance your home.
I'll
And
tell you what, I'd rather be paying what I'm paying to buy it
yeah.
than be paying that rent.
Oh yeah.
Because that's just money in the trash.
Oh yeah, I agree.
I'm just putting that in somebody's pocket.
Right.
Because before I bought this, I was paying $1,200 a month for a 3-bedroom
Right.
ranch.
Right. Right.
So that was 3 years of $1,200 a month.
Right. Yeah, it's definitely the smart thing. Home ownership is smart, you know?
Yeah.
But, you know, taking care of the home and everything, you know, and it's like, I'll try to help out as many as my homeowners as I can to, you know, help them maintenance the home and not break the bank, you know?
Yeah.
Cause they'll charge you $75 just to put the ladder on the house to say, here's what you need. You know, a lot of these companies, you know?
Oh, I can believe that.
Yeah, so.
And while I got the hand me, you don't need a ladder for the other thing I got.
You got something else for me to do? A hammer? Hammer, please don't hurt him. All right. So, that's it, people. You see that? It's just, the grind never stops, man. The grind. Here's my information right here. If you can see that, if you're pointing down, you can, if I'm getting a good shot at that, there's my number. My email address is Daniel. It's actually, yeah, Daniel at portisconstruction.com. Actually, let me throw this in the truck. Won't need this. Lock down my ladder. I need to get some new straps too, man. Like, I'm curious, anybody who straps down a ladder. I was thinking about getting another ladder rack too, man, because I get tired of having to loosen these ladders sometimes to get to what's in the back of my truck. But hey, you know, I do what I gotta do. But all right, so got that one strapped down. How much you guys want to bet that I need more than the hammer to do whatever else she needs to do, you know? This is why we're the pros, man. We know what it truly consists of versus what they think it is. So let me get my hammer. Let me get my hammers. I got a hammer and I got a mallet here. So I'm gonna stop this video right here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you tune in for more. Close the back door here. Ow, that hurt. Make sure you tune in for more. Make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.